Hello guys, hello everyone. Welcome to this today live session. Before we start, let me confirm if everything is good. The market is reacting nicely and we will find some very nice play, nice setup today. Let me know, let me confirm if the session is good. If you see the screen, I moved to the app, to TradingView app, so the quality may be even better. So I will look at Bitcoin first, as always. Plus today I will do many chart requests as your request, and we'll try to find some good setup. I will also open some position up on this account with 10.5k, so that's a prop firm. You will see also my recent trade, and so we are good. Let's go. And before we start, yes, always, this is not a financial advice. Do your own research before investing, and I'm just sharing my own analysis. And for this time, I will try to not move from an asset back, and again, I will try to only do it one by one. It will be better for you to review the stream, because when we record it, it's difficult for you to track assets. So once I finish an asset, I will avoid to come back to it. So let's go for Bitcoin. Yes, so I'm not at the good dashboard, because on the TradingView app I can only share the application, but the quality is better. Let me just output my previous view on Bitcoin, as I will show. So I'm on X here. Yes, as you can see, just taking a screenshot. So you have this view here. So I posted this yesterday. We will see that Bitcoin is at a very important timing. Please confirm if everything is good. Also, I forgot about the giveaway, guys. Yes, I forgot about it. Let's talk you about this. Just moving 1 second here. So let me. Okay, so for the giveaway today, again, I will turn a wheel. You could earn 10 USDC up to 50 USDC. So at the end of the stream, I will randomly pick some users up during the live. Comment your Binance UID or exchange UID, then I will do the transfer at the end of the stream. So it's almost the 5th or 7th giveaway. So you know that if you earn it, I will pay 10 up to $50. So don't forget to comment your UID. Yes, for example, the first one. Let's go, Igor. Again, thanks for participating. And let's start. So first one, is here, and on Binance, I will pick one. Okay, the first one, nice reaction. And I will move on Bitcoin chart, and I will explain why I'm bullish on Bitcoin rather than being bearish, because so many people, it's still bearish on the higher time frame, but you will see. Let's remove on TradingView. So we have this, and I will be quick on Bitcoin. You can see that the daily shape looks much better. Technically, we are neutral inside the Kumo, but look what's happening. Ichimoku give you the case. We are now breaking above very important level, very flat Kijun. Usually when we turn above, we are likely gonna see a big bull reaction. As you can see here, flat level, break, almost retested, expansion, boom, 10% pump. Here it's the same. Usually when the lagging span also enter inside the Kumo, we can target the upper SSB level around 79.80, which usually was the K level I shared, but you will see why I'm also bullish toward likely 85k if we move above the, yeah, it looks like a range sideways phase, but I think it's gonna break by the upside. Maybe we are gonna see something like this, and if this level play as K support now, we'll likely hit the 85k. Of course, this is just the daily view, the same metrics. If I remember, 75 top range and 63k range bottom, and you have, if we just report the fib, 50% fib, yeah, around 68, 69k, but the main important support is, as you can see clear now, it's here. So this is the daily outlook, giving us a time frame maybe of few days. You see the range 70 days we are ranging, so no directions in 70 days. If you look at the daily now, it's still troublesome because we are technically bearish, lagging span under each component. The monthly long-term target to me could remain 48, 50k, or even 33, 35k in the worst scenario if we continue the bear trend. And I think that, yeah, we are at least gonna revisit, you see the flat, the Tenkan, the lagging span here, sorry, here free to move upward. We have not even retested this level. Usually when we are seeing a long-term trend, long-term momentum shifting, we retest K level in 90% of cases, and what's work on bull side also work on the bear side. Now if up we go to Bitcoin chart on another chart, if we look at the weekly, how is the quality on my setup? I think it's better than other stream now, because, yeah, it might be a much better quality, from the window application, the window on Google Chrome, because here this is the application trading view, and I think the quality is better. Yeah, let me know if you noticed any changement. You can see that it's a very important timing on Bitcoin, because if we just look at simple things, we are now retesting, yeah, let's say from September, 26 September of the last year, so that's 195 day bar. Yeah, I will move on Kochi and your request, guys, no worries. We are now retesting for the third time in a row in almost 200 days the down trend. But you know, some people will say blindly, because they are likely newbie and beginners in trading, they are thinking that we are retesting the trend, then the price is gonna crash as it did here. Honestly, you have here a clean, as you can see, you will see it's very, you report the top and the low. You see how metrics are working nicely. You see here, boom. Oh, yeah. Look at the chirurgical accuracy, guys. You see, I report this dump, this one, you have exactly the 60k. The 60k is also a monthly level, but look at this structure. I will show you why this is totally different. It doesn't look like, first, it doesn't look like this pattern because of the Ichimoku. You will see daily price action, and I think that we are gonna break the trend likely. Yeah, 85k is K, remember. So this is my main scenario. It looks like more, I will put the, yeah, you will see this level is K, this level is K. I repeat, the black line here, 85k. You see the lagging span daily. If technically and pure technically, if we are under this black line 85k 84.8, the main global the main trend higher time frame monthly and weekly is technically bearish. So this scenario and crash is still possible. But if we zoom just purely on the daily view, and I know what I'm talking about, I reviewed thousands of setups. The structure can be confirmed as a bearish flag, but to me it's likely an ascending accumulation, and we are ending this. Yeah, we are gonna see something like this. Once the trend will be break, you will see likely a spike, a retest, and then we could explode. And I'm almost pretty sure about that because I reviewed thousands of setup like that. Most of time I was right, but sometimes I was trapped. Look at if we compare the previous flag, you can see that here, for example, the flat Kijun, look at the lagging span. It broke below each time, we consolidate above, we tested the Kumo here, rejection under the Kumo, but here it's totally different. You can see that the lagging span is now above Tenkan Kijun daily, and we are testing since much more days, if I can say. And look at this also. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think that the trend is gonna be break because the structure is not exactly similar as this one. Look at also the steep, and look at the 60k demand zone compared to that one. You see? So here was like a clean structure, and here I think that we are gonna see something like this, ending the bear move. It's difficult to explain because also I confirmed with other time frames. You see these structures, for example. Yes, I said this. Yeah, very nice. Up, I did my chart list. Look at. Yeah, this is absolutely magic. Usually you don't have you don't see any clean bull structure on the H4 or daily under resistances. Usually when you are under K resistances, you are seeing bearish structure. And here, if I put the cup and handle, look at how it's perfect. So remember what I'm saying, what I said in my previous outlook. 200 days downtrend, so everyone is seeing the same. If this level 69, if I remember, yeah, 69 is K. If the 69 hold, difficult to say currently if the handle bottom is here or here, but I think that the volume is gonna explode. First K resistance to finish the analysis, 75, yeah, the top of the range. We have the 80k, which likely be the next K target, because if we break this structure, you can guess that this level will be weak. So the setup to me is like that for Bitcoin. And then depending of the bull pressure, I think that we can hit the 85. And if it will determine, the 85k will determine the next macro structure, in my opinion. Are we gonna see a weekly trend continuation with a new lower low, which is likely possible on my setup towards 50k, or will Bitcoin be able to push towards 80h or previous level? I don't know really yet, because we have to shift the trend. It's taking time because the daily view and weekly view, remember that one candle is 1 week. So we are now turning into the neutral zone. It can move sideways without any strong volatility, strong volume, sorry, for many weeks. So who knows? And that's it. So my bias, if I can sum up, this is clearly bullish for the next few days. I don't care about people saying that, oh, Bitcoin is testing the trend, it's gonna dump. You know, I have much more experience than many other people that talk on social networks, so I don't care about their advice. Really, So let me know what's your take on this one, and let's move to other chart. I think we can talk about Coty. Let me know about Bitcoin, guys. It looks very nice to me for next play. Yes, I will pick. Let me pick 2 UID because you are active in comment. Okay, Arthur. Hop, I will pick you. Check. Vlad Arthur. Up. Want to see profitable trade? Yes, you will see some good setup. Trust me, the market is moving, so it's very easier when we are moving up. Oh, my bad, you don't see my... yeah, okay, nice. Okay. On YouTube, you don't see my screen. Okay, no. Okay, perfect, because I was late on YouTube. And one next for the giveaway. Okay, Zach Ryder, go. With 2 frogs, like it. And let's move. Yes, I think Coty will be next. Giggle also I will analyze. And we can talk about Tao, I think so, because it dumped one of the bigger subnet, yes, holder, and dev left the game, so meaning that it will likely be much less decentralized on Tao, and for the short term, it looks really scary. So this is, I moved on Coty, USDT. Absolute banger. I think Coty is gonna pump 20% plus very, very easy. I'm almost 95% confident for this one. Of course, my confidence is not financial advice. Look at this beauty on Coty. I will be quick. You know, I'm showing you this today. Maybe in 1 week, I'm 90% sure this will be a top gainer in my list, and I will do a short video explaining before versus after, as always. Look at this beauty on Coty. We are on the monthly chart here, and what you can see is that we are retesting the monthly low, so it's almost at the ATL. This is absolutely crazy to see Coty at such a low prices, while the team has never been develop the product. It's a very nice top tier bank, blockchain, if I remember, payment gateway for institutional, for retails. So Coty is a top tier product. The product is already active with a lot of users, so I don't know why the price is still very low, but I'm pretty certain that, as you can see, whoa, look at the RSI also, meaning that forming a very nice, not a bull dive because price is reacting, but when the RSI also react, printing new high each time, it means that over time you have more bull pressure, especially since we are now ranging since 70 days, and the target, if we break the range, you see also Ichimoku daily. One chart on the daily view will give you all the tools. You see, lagging span inside the Kumo, meaning that we have a bull volume increasing, and we can unleash momentum. Tenkan, Kijun close each other's bullish katana in preparation. Tiny Kumo here, green cloud. Technically, this is a perfect setup, and the next level is well defined here. It's 0 point, the flat SSB. It's difficult to say if it will be the most important level, but likely yes, because if momentum is very strong, this level could be easily break, but it gives you an indication about the next target. And as the previous chart, you report the peak of the lagging span corresponding to the previous K support before we saw a 45% crash. So I will put it in red maybe, because green is for support. Hop. Yeah, So my take for Coty, it's we are accumulating. Breakout is gonna likely happen pretty soon. I already have my bag packed. I think $300 10x. And when I have such a chart, I don't put target because I let the momentum being building, because targeting 3% when you are very early and confident, let the market react on your side. You will earn much more, trust me. Yeah, so this is the plan for Coty. And if you look at this current structure, it is likely an ascending. Clearly, it's an ascending structure, ascending channel. Look at this market phase here. It's likely the same. You have this boom explosion toward the range top. If you remind, if this range is valid, they are likely. But here we are building momentum with this structure. I can show you the chart, and usually, if I remember, so the green zone is the monthly, the yearly support. Sorry. And technically, if we just look at the daily, yeah, we can see that the price is likely ranging inside this box. And if I report simply the box size, is it matching with levels? Yeah, almost. So if we break here, you see that will be intermediate resistance here. So we can anticipate a rejection, retest of the range. Usually 90% of time, remember, when you are breaking such important level, 90% of time you are retesting the K breakout zone. So if you see this top level being break, if you are late, wait for expansion retracement, and you can have entry on the range here. So that's why when you have global structure, you can be aware of what's coming on the market. And I think that Coty, yeah, is gonna make this move. And you know, I'm yeah, as I said, 90% confident. That's absolutely a crazy view. Let me know what's your take for Coty. The goal of this chart for me on my own trade, I put funds in 10x, and I will do DCA if it dumps, as long as it's inside this range, because I know at some point it will explode. So this is likely free money to me, because you don't even have to care about market psychology. Buy when it's red, DCA, apply your risk management, and everything will goes good with time, because the market direction is pretty clear. Let me know if explanation are fine. Now let's move on Giggle. So as I said, I won't remove each time on this or on this asset. Now I did Coty. Let's pick one or two others. Random users for the giveaways. We'll do one by one. Up. So yeah, I can check Solana. Nice ID. Yeah. Okay. Then oh my bad. Then 11. Okay. How many one? One. Okay. And remember, guys, 50 USDC, the USDC giveaway to be earned for followers. I just need your Binance UID or Exchange UID if you follow me on YouTube. By the way, I will reshare my YouTube link. Hop. I think the chart quality and the stream quality is much better than previous one. If I don't scroll many times on many charts, it will be much better for you to review it. Okay, I can pick you. Did I? Fuck this publicity. Okay, I don't care. Okay, and up. Let's move to the next. I will then check the order book on Binance. Let's review also my trade here. I got trapped. I was at 11.2k yesterday. I got trapped on Siren. I did not set stop loss and big move happened. That's the deal, but obviously I'm still in big profit. I got trapped yesterday, yeah, losing here. But overall, you see, on this challenge, I made $600 gain. So I will claim my payout. I need to claim back at 11k. But that's it. I took some position today, as you can see. Aia, winning 5 times in a row. Let me show you why quickly. Yeah, you see, because I knew that Aia is, it dumped. Crypto is trash. 95% dump in few minutes. But I know that we are ranging likely, and it can stay sideways for many days, many hours inside this zone. So I shorted few times. Here, look at the volatility. Each time targeting 3%. We are currently at the middle of the range, so it's a bit tricky for an entry right now. But if this zone turn as is break and turn as resistance, then we are likely gonna push toward the lower level. But each time it pushed to the top, I short. So 5 times in a row, as you can see, I applied my strategy. Yeah, 5 times in a row I earn on this one. Maybe it's time to look for another bull. So you see, cloud neutral, I don't take any risk. And to my current nice. On my current position, you see, I have Coti USDC, Coti USDT 2 position, $200 10x and $100 10x already printing, so I entered early. Algo also, I can talk about Algo, yeah, I will check Algo for you. Siren shorting for 3%, so I think it will move. And Floki also very bullish, so I already posted about Floki. Let's go for Algo, and you will see why the chart is likely very interesting. I think, look at the structure, guys, it's so beautiful. Yeah, Algo is gonna fly, trust me. I think Algo is gonna do something like this, because I keep building the dips. It's clearly, look at the daily view, guys. It's clearly exactly as I said, like Coti, you see, bull break. Maybe if the bear phase lasts a few days more, the clean demand zone for a bull retest is here. So I think we are gonna creating a flag, and the price is likely gonna explode. It's even more clear on the H4. Look at the breakout. So this phase is likely a true breakout, and you know, when you are in a breakout phase, the K is the 50% fib, the upper golden pockets, or if we break down, I watch for the 0.702 fibs. And look at the structures. Doesn't it look like a bullish one for you? It looks like a clean flag retest. So I think Algo is gonna push toward a new high. Just waiting currently. I bought with DCA. Look at the daily view. We broke and reversed the main trend. This is a perfect setup to me. And look at this. We broke this beautiful channel. Yeah, 55-day channel break. Maybe if we are unlucky, the price is gonna retest the trend, but I doubt regarding the current Bitcoin shape. And the structure is very clean. Look at also just one candle, guys. Look. Oh my god, nice. If I can say, oh my frog, this is the new expression. We have, very nice. Algo USDT. Also, I think I saw that Algo is moving toward institutional path with their blockchain. They have so many big player investing in the chain. More likely big massive adoption coming. We are at a double bottom low weekly since September 23, so 3 year plus low, even lower than the ATL price from the listing. So we are very early on algo once again. And look at this candle. This is a very clean weekly bullish engulfing. So I think that we have the first breakout, the retest and confirmation, and then the next wave is gonna be, as you know, bigger than the break. The good question is, yeah, are we gonna retest the exact 50% fib at 0.1050 or the golden pocket? Sometime, I can say sometime, because the structure is very clean. I think we are not ever in a manipulated market phase. But when you are in a manipulated market phase, it's likely you should look at, remember, for a trend reversal, this level. You see the 0.786 or 0.702 fib, which is, yeah, exactly here and here. But as you can see, it looks more like we are gonna push now because we are very far, and you see the bullish pressure is very strong. So usually you should differentiate, if I can say, market manipulation with large tail, sharp retracement very fast, so meaning that you have a large wick. But here, look at the wick. The bulls are still strong. There is not even big sharp drop. So I clearly think that support are gonna push price higher pretty soon. The good question is, where will be the K bottom? So that's why I'm doing DCA rather than entering in one point with high leverage. So much better, less stress, and the win rate almost certain in my case, because I'm 90% confident with such view. Yeah, I can follow, yeah. Okay, I follow you. Then, Cheng. Algo has been done. I will move to maybe Giggle. Giggle is weird because I know it's a manipulated asset, but I will be quick on this one because the volatility is too huge. But if you look at the global structure on Giggle, I don't even know more about the recent news, but I think, judging by the structure, if Bitcoin pump, we could see something like this on Giggle, giving us a potential pump. So remember, I posted a view a few days ago. We are still stuck inside the reversal wedge, but I think we will see an expansion phase toward 38, 37 maybe. So all levels are in my chart. I currently, I bought Giggle targeting 3% each time, because if the direction is good, we could earn many times in a row. Currently, it's too neutral. H1 view looks very neutral. We are trapped inside many levels. So global structure looks bullish to me, but short term and medium term, it's difficult because we are very neutral. Are we gonna see a bull break right now or a retest of support? I don't know. Sometimes, if you don't know, just reduce your risk. Wait, set alert. You will see I will set alert likely 24.5. And if we break above, technically, yeah, if we break above this peak 28, then plus the structures, it could fly toward 38, and it could be very fast, and 30% move is nothing in crypto. I currently bought a $50 10x position because I think Still think it can move more than 3%, so I'm holding, but I will do DCA if it dump. Not really confident on this one yet on the short term, but bullish for the medium term. Okay, I will move now on Tao if you want. You see, let me know if you find the stream quality better, because usually I used to scroll each time from a chart to another. Do you find it simple to check one chart and not remove to the same? Let me know. And yeah, let's move Tao USDT. I heard about the news about the subnet, but let's see if it's a true crash or if it's just a market manipulation under retest. Oh, it looks like, as you can see, it looks like, look at this correlation here. So this is the daily outlook. Tao looks interesting to me. Oh, nice. We can have a buy opportunity, I think, because Tao is likely very oversell. If you look at the, yeah, directly I spotted oversell area on Tao. Oh, we are still bearish on the H4. So when we are bearish like this with strong bear pressure, it looks like the news is too strong and the sell pressure is very strong. So it's not a good time to jump in right now. Maybe it's better to wait for this zone 230, 220. Yeah, if you look at the lagging span, yeah, it can touch. If I hide the price, you will understand why. How I hide the price. Yeah, look at the lagging span here and the SSB, and the RSI daily is still not showing over sell zone. So with time I learned to not FOMO. The trend is very sharp. It looks like Tao, yeah, you see these structures on the 5 minutes, it's also a bearish. Yeah. So Tao, I will likely set buy order around 230, 225, because judging by my lines, this is the 5 minute view, but 5 minute view has lower win rates than higher time frame, but the global structure is clearly bearish. I think that Tao, maybe I can short. Yeah, okay, I will short, I think, yeah, for 3% target. I will short live with you and do DCA because I'm almost pretty sure I will open a short position. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna crash with the local momentum. Just 510x targeting 3%, $15. I think it can be quick. I will do DCA if it keep pumping. You will see here. Up. So I open my short on Tao. If you look at the 5 minutes, the price can dump right now 10%. Yeah. What's your take on Tao, guys? Oh, this line, you see, I put up this line with Ichimoku. Look at how it's accurate. This is absolutely crazy. Wow. That accuracy also very insane. Look at this accuracy, guys. You can clearly see that, yeah, let's say this zone fail. You look at this. Usually when you retest such big support, you might have price reaction, but look what we saw. It was very interesting. Some people should have positioned themselves here, but they got wrecked. We have the breakout of the K support, the retests, as you can see here, lagging span unable to break above previous level, and after that we have the sharp dump because we broke sharp level. And if I just report the metrics, it gives me exactly the same price convergence, if I can say. So just by let's be more let's be less if I can say. Oh, it already, you see this level matching perfectly with this one, but technically, if we just take the top to this one, you see also I noticed an head and shoulder structure here. Did you notice it? If we dezoom, you will see. Yeah, you see, guys. That was an head and shoulder pattern here. Boom. But yeah. And I will close my short position. I will set stop loss. You see the 15 minutes K resistance is the yellow box. So my setup may be valid as long as we are under this yellow zone, because the momentum is clearly bearish. Then you have 285 resistance and the yellow zone 295, maybe 300 as a psychological level. But if you look at the chart, it's likely an immediate setup, because the momentum is very bearish. Oh, Coty is printing nicely here, $42 gain. I hope, oh, Siren. I don't know why I keep shorting Siren each time. I traded Siren yesterday. I made 14 trade out of 14 win. Then I potted more and I got wrecked on a big move. I lost all profit. So that's why risk management is very important. But that's only a challenge here. I can claim my payout, but I prefer to push toward 11k. So let's see if Tao is gonna play well during this live. What should be the next target, the next coin to be checked? Comment, please. ONG, okay, Dash. Oh, yes, Dash, right. I saw Dash breaking out. I will give you the main demand zone. The main demand zone. Yeah, oh, it's already. You will see Dash chart very interesting, because we have all break and confirmation line. It can push much higher. Maybe there is big news with Dash. And first, yes, let me pick one more. Let me pick one more. Hop. Name for the giveaway, Magix. Okay. Up. Magix. I can't copy your name. I will do like this. Hop. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Should I pick 2 more, or is it okay as you want? I limit to 10, because after that it's too much. You will have less chance. But I think 2 more will be good. I'm live since 44 minutes. I have time to do maybe 2 more analyses, so let's go. Let me put this. Oh, Dash chart, yes, very interesting one. You will see why. First of all, if you look at the weekly view, Dash reacting here. If on Dash, really, if the $45 is break, you know that Dash could explode towards 60, and it will likely be the case, because we are on a monthly reversal shape. Look at the weekly candle ongoing. Can be a very clean bullish engulfing. So same as algo, the structure looks almost similar. I will wait for a retracement to confirm the breakout, like if you remember, 90% of case, bull reversal, higher time frame, retracement confirmation, and then we can explode to, yeah, exactly as you can see here on this weekly. Look at this. From this candle, this is a perfect example. You see the bullish engulfing here, and look at what happened. We touch this level, and on the next weekly, look at where the price goes. It's retraced. You see the wick here. If I zoom from this level to the top, it made a 26% pump. So imagine if you are late, even if you know about the breakout, you can be trapped in a 26% move. And this level, I guess that it was corresponding to the retest. Yeah, almost. So it's maybe it's made pretty similar. Yeah, exactly as I said. Look at the retracement. Almost 50% fib or golden pocket. So I think that we can have the same if I report, yeah, the metrics on my lines. Let's try to find, oh, you see, okay, maybe Dash, it's a good for a short, exactly as I did for Zec yesterday. I spotted the same. I think I will short Zec because, yeah, it's highly overbuy. Oh, lagging span also hitting the cloud, usually resistance. Yeah, you see, short-term hype on Zec might be over soon. Look at the H1. Important to define the global trend, if I can say momentum. And remember, when the Tenkan and Kijun gap space is larger than the Kumo, you see tiny Kumo, strong trend. Tenkan Kijun close each other, strong momentum. I will short Zec, Dash, sorry. I will do it maybe in few parts. 500 I will do DCA short because I'm pretty sure it's not gonna explode yet because it's already overbuilt. The market need to brace. You will see up. So $500 margin, 10x $50, targeting 15, so 3%, and I will do it. I don't care if it pump, I will keep shorting. My strat works very well like this, so why should I change? I don't care about the momentum. We are, I think, gonna retrace. It's not gonna pump towards 60 yet. So you see timing matters. And let's look at the global structure on the 5 minute. Maybe if you look at this, can be a channel like that, okay? And we can have a triple soldier bearish formation with matching with the top here. So very important, guys. You see I zoomed on the time frame here. You have here 5 minute chart. So you see how I trade from weekly, daily, H4, and I try to find my entry on the 5 minute or 15 minute. You should always do that. Don't do the opposite. Don't start with lower time frame. Start with the higher one and decrease. Trust me, your trading win rate will explode if you are doing it properly. Because sometimes I see some streamer starting with lower time frame, taking their trade, and then oh fuck, there is a resistance or support. So you see I'm probably at the top, and each time it will touch my 3% target, I will wait for green shorting, and I was able to make my biggest success phase in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was mistake here. I opened, you see, -1 because I opened at the opposite. I should have short instead of long, for example. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 win trade in a row. That's insane. And that's why that's very, very easy if you do like this, for example, and if you avoid like Aia taking entry at the middle of a range. But that's no sense. But if you are playing like I'm doing on Dash, you see taking short entry, for example, at K resistance, you will see maybe, yeah, but look at what's coming. I think, yeah, bearish divergence cooking because we are overextended on Ichimoku. It's often matched with bearish divergence. Look, for beginners, bearish divergence, it can be spotted when you have an higher high on RSI with a lower higher low on prices. You see top on prices and RSI lower. So bearish divergence is building, meaning that you have less sell pressure over time. The short-term structure, short-term move does not matter because even if I enter here or here, and if my TA is good, I don't really care. It's just about waiting for a reversal. Let me know, please, if my English is good because I'm not fully fluent in English. I notice day by day that my stream quality is turning better and better, and I hope you are enjoying it. Yes, let's touch my target on Dash. Yeah, so I will earn 15 and I will give you maybe 50. And you see, here we can have the top. If yes, on a Dash, technically, yeah, if the price start to dump lower than this level, than the low, we are likely gonna crash to retest. So you see, up, if you start from the top, yeah, if this level is break the 41, the bearish pressure is likely gonna decrease, and I think the 50% fib is around 38. So watch for the $38 level on Dash, and then once we will have complete the bearish trend, I will look for bull, because the trend we can have the wave 1 short, wave 2. So level by level, yeah, you see target hit, nice, $15. My job is done. I can go to restaurant. $15 once again. Whoa, crazy. And now I want FOMO. If we are at the top here, Ichimoku will give me, yeah, the possible next entry. By the way, you can comment many frog for this win, guys. I want to see a lot of frog or trophy in comments. Spam the comments with trophy and frog with your UID. I will pick you maybe twice. Let's go, spam the comment for the win. And if I check the AAVP, this indicator also let me, so auto encourage volume profile. Yeah. If you look at what the fuck, it's not this one. What? AAVP, is it this one? I don't remember. I have black hole. Yeah, okay, I was on 1 minute, so that's why. Yeah, you see also, oh nice, you see also the AVP suggesting that we were highly, yeah, it was a FOMO move. So okay, we have the top now on Dash. That was a very nice trade. Timing was perfect. So I will try to take a second entry. It's very difficult because I'm not a scalper. I'm not pro as a scalping, but I think if I can enter 1% above, that will be good and not too FOMO. Let's say 42.91 maybe. Yeah, the same. You see, my rules number 1 is when you win a trade, never open the same a new trade on the same coin at the same entry point, at the same win point, meaning that I shorted here, I take my profit here, so I will not have to, I won't open another trade at the exact TP, because it's much better to wait for market move rather than FOMO on the same level. But now that I have the spotted the top, I'm waiting for a micro, if I can say, bull retracement, and as I'm almost pretty sure about the market direction, I will short again. You see limit order, pam. So if it's not touched, I don't care, because it can dump. I will have time to check about where are resistance, where are support, because if it's dumping more, you know, it's not a bad deal. I will have the confirmation about my previous outlook. You see also on the H1, on the 15 minute, yeah, this is a bearish, usually a bearish reversal, because you can learn from this. You have the previous top, as you can see here. You have a spike above, and look at what happened on the 15 minute. You have a sharp rejection on the tail under the top. So usually it means that momentum is becoming weaker. Yes, my trade is open, nice. You see, if I was greedy, I could have entered 1% lower. I was not. Boom. Nice, nice, nice. And I will do DCA around the top, maybe one more time. So this is 50. That's why I divide. And you should apply risk management. Very important. And the stop loss, if we continue to push, because it's important also to not being so greedy. Yeah, you see this level. Likely, if we start to break the 45, it will become tricky, because this is a weekly level, and I know for sure that if we push above, we could see a 10% bull wave. So I will accept a few percent losses rather than risking to be stuck, to be caught in a very bad move. Please comment if you think, if you find the stream helpful, and if my English is audible. Let me know, and I will pick. Oh, my screen is not moving. What? Ah, my bad. My bad. This is this one, yeah. So you see my screen here, but I think you understand what I talked about. Yeah, thank you for the comment. Thanks guys. Thanks. I think I was not at the good stream. Yeah, but as you can see, okay, this is this one. Okay, perfect. So I'm on the window on Google Chrome. Please let me know also if you noticed a difference in quality. This is Google Chrome chart right now, and this one is application. Do you notice a difference in the quality of the chart? Let me know, because this one should be better. So that's why I'm scrolling from one to another. And yeah, so this one is the application on TradingView, and this one is from the Chrome, Google Chrome browser. And yes, as you can see, my entry was here again, PNL taken, and waiting for another crash. I will do DCA as long as we are under 45. Yeah, 45 is the weekly level, and I think it's also matching with the trend line. Yes, you have the trend line also above, and I think, yeah, we could see a rejection toward 38, 37.5. So when I have a top market direction, this strategy is very profitable for my side. Let's move again. Next and last trade. And let me pick one other giveaway winner, potential winner. Dash has been checked. Thanks for your comment, guys. Thanks. Remember that I'm gonna drop a 50 USDC giveaway in few minutes. Comment your Binance UID or exchange UID. I will give you immediate payout, if I can say immediate transfer after the stream. So let me know. Up one more. Oh, which one is Cruddy Brick Cruiser? Where are you? Where are you? Here. I think it's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Where we have 10 or 11. I stopped for the giveaway members. 1 hour live. Should I do one more chart or are you okay? I start the wheel. Let me know. Manifest you if you want to see another view, or if you don't comment, I will end the stream because it's likely 1 hour right now. Let me know. I need some engagement, good vibes in comments. I can pick your your last asset for the chart. One more, okay. Tao, oh, by the way, Tao is playing nicely. Yes, almost hit my target, which is here. One more. Oh, I can do Solana. Yeah, I can do Solana, guys. I will keep the dash up and I'll go dash USDT. No, not dash, Solana. Yeah. And I know for sure that if so... Ooh, this is a very bullish structure on Solana. My God. Do you notice that, guys? Wow. I just opened the chart. I see a clear bullish structure. If you can comment the structure, I give you 10 USDC. Up to you. First, we'll find the structure. I give him 10 USDC. Guys. This is a bullish pattern. Because I know for sure that in one glance, it's a bullish structure. First comment, we find the good structure on this H4 view. I give him 10 USDC, and I will promise you that I will do it. So, let me know. Let's see if you are good. You have 1 minute. I give you 1 minute. So it's yeah. I give you 1 minute to find the structure to earn 10 USDC. So this is a chart structure. I will put a line to help you here. I give you 1 minute. Let's go. Yeah, structure. It's like no. 1 minute when it's 38. If I'm right, yeah. If I dezoom on the, maybe, yeah. It looks like. Yeah, I'm almost pretty sure, and I will zoom on Ichimoku. You will see it will match perfectly with my levels. It can be a couple handles. It can be a couple handle like that. Yeah, maybe, but it's not exactly to me. It's not exactly. It can be. Yeah, it can be. But yeah. I think that it looks like an inverse head and shoulders. You have something like this. Yeah. You see? Sometimes it's difficult to find this pattern, but do I have the structure? Falling wedge double bottom, head and shoulders. Let me pick the chart. It looks something like this to me. Yeah, it's not. It's difficult. I recognize it's difficult. It looks something like this. You can clearly see that here we were forming the left shoulder. Here we have the head. Difficult to say if it's around that zone. And here it can be the right shoulder. It's also matching with bullish curve. But look at, let me know if you see the same. To me, it looks like we are in this structure, and let's confirm it with Ichimoku parameters. Need to open again because it's a very bullish structure. You see also the lagging span, yeah, testing, matching perfectly with each levels. Flat Kijun was a big signal. I missed this one. We are still bearish, but if I think Solana is gonna break this level and it could push later on toward 105. But if you look at this structure, it's very bullish. You have, I think, yeah, if I report this zone here clearly acts as big support, and I think that we can see something like this. Yeah, you see also on the H4, the H4 view is giving you the K here. It is the first time since many days that we are above the cloud. So this is the bullish. Yeah, you see, last time we entered bullish here, Solana made 12% pump. So that was in March 26. So yeah, we can pump a few percent, very likely, but I know for sure that this pattern is maybe bullish. It looks like also a retest of this zone. If we just target the K level, it gives us 87, 86. Okay. You see Tao looks like it's gonna dump. Nice. So I'm bullish on Solana. I think it's gonna push, especially since Bitcoin is bullish also for on my chart. I charted Bitcoin at the beginning and it was bullish. Remember the beginning of the stream. I think Solana, yeah, looks good for a price pump. Yeah, for a pump. Oh, guys, it is. Yeah, we are also about to attack and break this beautiful downtrend, and if it happens, I think that we should look for this trend level, because this is the most powerful K we have here, this trend line. If we pump, and it could happen, yeah, if it's matching, you see the SSA and the previous levels are around that zone. So yeah, Solana looks good for. You see also if we dezoom on the H4. Okay guys, I find something interesting. Solana is bullish like that, but I will open a new chart to keep this one ahead, and I think it's a range. I found a bullish structure inside the lower part of the range. Yes, Dash looks clean. So Solana USDT on OKX. If you look at the daily view, yeah. This is because I did not check the range first. Yes, look at the daily. This is very nice, very nice. It gives us even higher time frame targets. So technically and pure technically, yes, Solana looks trapped inside this range. So I will show you. So we are sideways inside this box, meaning that there is no global market direction as long as we are still trapped in. But my H4 outlook like this suggests that the next level, it will break and push toward the range top. And why not? Why not, if we look at the daily, exactly as Bitcoin, entering in a bull correction phase? And if it's the case, then we could target, we could revisit the previous huge leg down 40% level. So meaning that Sol could push toward 120, but you have the 100, this one 105, 108 also before. So that's it. I think Sol looks really bullish. Yeah, if you report this one also, you see, you see the accuracy. It's crazy. We almost hit perfectly this low. So that's it for Solana. I think, yes, it looks like it can break. The structure is very bullish, and remember that we are still inside the lower part, if I can say, of the range. Maybe it can get stopped because of the mid range part. It can take time to break. So for safer play, up the $86-87 is also okay. So on the daily basis, as long as we are trapped under this resistance, there is clearly no signal. It's difficult to anticipate such resistance breakout. But if we push above, I'm almost certain that Sol is gonna easily reach 92 or 96. So that's it. Currently neutral, bullish structure, still in creation for information, and the bias could be bullish in the next few days. So that's why you don't have any clean entry right now, because it's difficult to say how many time it will take for it to break above that line. And if we got rejected, because it's also possible, then watch out for those levels. You see this one 82.5, 81.5, and if we go under 78.5. That's it guys. Thanks for your many comments. Are you ready for the giveaway? Let me before share my social media link. You have inside my channel, Telegram, YouTube, TikTok, all media, CoinMarketCap, also very famous on it. All my groups are absolutely free to join. If you enjoy to see my strat, you can join it. CryptoJobs Linktree for the guys you are on Binance Square, and I put the link here. I forgot that I'm also live on X, and I will put my Linktree here and repost, and then I will turn the wheel for the giveaways. And all setups are almost green. Coty is very nice. Coty, Algo. Also, Algo, don't forget, very bullish for the long term. Floki also, Floki, I'm holding a bag for 10x for swing play, because Floki, if you review my lines, looks very, very bullish, guys. I think this is the most important part of the live. Will you earn 10, 20, 30, 40 or 50 USDC? The wheel will decide. We have Igor, Jackie Rab, Vlad Arthur, Zach Ryder, then 111111, Naem 26, Irvalenza Ragi, sorry for the name, MX Jik 5461, and Crad Bike Cruiser as potential winner for the giveaways. Let's turn the wheel and make some noise. Let's go. Put the song. So good luck, guys. Oh, there is no timer. 10 USDC, no. Sorry for you, but It's still free money. I don't decide, as you can see. Yeah, so 10 USDC for Igor 2009. Congratulations. I save this screen and I will send you. So I think you are from Binance Square, right? I think I will try. I don't know if the algorithm is gonna ban my content, but by the way, you can find my link here. Yeah, on Binance Square. I try, but I'm not sure about the algorithm. How it's work, yeah. So thank you for today. I hope the setups are good. I will try to make some shortcuts and post on YouTube and TikTok. So please follow on YouTube. This is very important to gain invisibility. Setup are very accurate over time since many years. So yeah, make some noise and see you next, guys. Thanks and congratulations to you, Igor. Yeah, that's it for today. Bye. Thank you, guys. See you. Hop and